In this video, we'll explore how we can audit and retry transactions in Martini. Consider this FTP client endpoint. It listens to an FTP server running on port 21 and is monitoring the directory reports. Log to tracker is checked, and its document type is reporting. The endpoint is also using the service on FTP File receive. The service declares two inputs: bytes, which is the content of the uploaded FTP file, and another input named tracker ID. The service forwards the FTP file to a third-party API. This is wrapped in a try-catch block, since we expect that the upload process may fail. If the upload succeeds, the FTP file content is tracked under the state upload OK. If the upload fails, we track the error message. We also track the FTP file content under the state upload fail. Finally, the original exception is propagated. We'll trigger the service by uploading a file to the monitored FTP server. We expect this file to be forwarded to our third-party API, as defined in the service earlier. However, notice in the Tracker tab that a failed reporting document was recorded. The track error log tells us that the network was down when it was invoked. At this point, we need to retry the operation. To do that, we go to the States tab and click the State Upload Fail. Unlike other states, it has an option to resubmit. Click Resubmit. And at this point, we'll reload the tracker document. A new state was added, this time with the state Upload OK. This instant resubmit capability is made possible by the Tracker Resubmit endpoint. Our endpoint in this case watches for documents of type reporting with the state of upload fail. It also uses the same service used by the FTP client endpoint in the beginning of this video. The reuse of the same service is possible because both the FTP client and Tracker Resubmit endpoints support mapping content to the bytes input property. This feature of Martini makes it possible for integrators to keep an audit trail of transactions and repeat an integration as needed. And that's it for this video.